Nagpal Industries. Number 1 in corrugated machinery and technologies. The Nagpal lead-edge Flexo printer slaughter die cutting machine is a high-speed solution for quality corrugated boxes. It integrates feeding, Flexo printing, slotting, and die cutting in one seamless workflow. With up to 4-color printing, precise slotting, and custom die cutting, it ensures efficiency and sharp results. Built for durability and ease of use, it's the perfect choice for packaging manufacturers looking to boost productivity while cutting costs. Choose Nagpal Industries, where excellence meets technology in packaging solutions. Subscribe to our channel and get the latest updates on cardboard box machines. Our address is plot number 65, Sector 6, Faridabad, Haryana. Contact Nagpal Industries today at +91 9810 to 75497 and invest in machinery that transforms your vision into reality.